Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect, Jill.
Yeah, they are shedding like.
Can't get much more perfect than that, huh?
Good girl. She's a lot smaller than the ones in Oklahoma she's right now.
That's definitely the one I would have picked then.
Yay, look at you. Wow, your first horsey ride. Oh, you like that? Yay. Yeah, is that fun? Yeah. Yeah. So my mom's gonna love this picture.
She's doing good.
At least she got her cow boots on.
And his name's Trigger. How
Yeah.
cute.
Is that fun? Yes. Okay.
Riley.
Well, good luck in getting her to look.
Good luck on
Yeah.
that one.
Try. But she's excited. I was sitting on the one.
How old is she?
2.
Okay.
She loves animals.
Riley, look at Grandma.
There's a petting zoo up at the top as well.
Oh yeah, she's
Oh,
got
okay,
a field
cool.
day in that. Yeah.
I will. It's gonna be long. It's gonna be cold.
Yeah.
Riley. Riley.
She'll probably ride this thing all day long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, she can sit on here all day. Perfectly happy sitting on there all day.
We should offer a babysitting service.
Yeah, that's great. This is what we need in our backyard.
Yeah.
Stick around that for an hour, let us walk around. Look at her. Here.
Good girl.
I work in the financial aid office here. My husband's a softball coach, so he's got softball today. So I said we're going to go to Grammy's job or Grandma's work and ride the horses, and she probably thinks that I work at the farm.
Oh, Jim must be here.
What's that?
Jim's here somewhere.
Look at her wobble.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's cute.
She loves the horses in Oklahoma. Those are big horses that should have.
Guess you're gonna have to get her a mini pony.
I'll give her one like this one.
I know, that's so
Perfect size.
cute.
There were some greyhounds, I think. Blankets on them.
Hey Betty, Betty, grab them. So when they walk by, you don't want anybody to get a little bit tenser.
You want to keep riding?
She'll never get off. We have to take her off of it. She'll never get off. Oh, she'll be on animals all day long. It's her choice.
Yeah.
Well, nice to place you're gonna pay to ride to get one.
Yeah, you're in trouble now. She goes to the fair, she's going to have to spend
Oh yeah,
$50
yeah. She thinks she's gonna be able to ride for hours. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Look at her. She's completely content on this. How could this be exciting for her to go around in circles?
Us and another team, because it's
I think you could put honey on it.
then they have
First thing we went to.
But they stop over by this hill.
Uh-huh. They're like, we're done. Yeah, she can get off.
softball.
Hi. It's like sweet pea. It's like my own sweet pea.
I'll hold that for you.
It's like my own sweet pea. See? Horsey. Let us know. Say hi. See? Very soft, huh?
Are you on the hayride, Bri? Briley, you on the hayride? Yeah?
I'm excited. I'm so
Woo!
excited.
Excited.
Grandpa, yeah. Good job. Here we go. You ready?
You got to have 13-inch tires in it.
Briley. Hi, baby. Hi.
Pedestrian areas over here, and then you can see across the way where they're doing all that construction and changing for home stadium, and all the way across the valley. You can even see the